Gusto ko na lang tumigil, pabayaan ko na lang yung mga modules ko kasi hindi ko naman talaga makakaya. Kailangan kong magtrabaho para makatulong din sa pamilya, di lang sa pag-aaral ko. Wala naman kasi kaming ibang magagawa kung hindi ko gagawin yun. Kailangan kong maging successful para sa kanila.
Operation Blessing, together with Orphans Promise, adopted John into their back-to-school program, and he quit his job, not his studies. He focused on his studies and now graduated Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng tumulong or nagtulong sa akin para lang ma-achieve ko tong dream na to.
Thank you to all our faithful donors and partners. Kaya nga, kung hindi pa kayo member, I urge you to become part of what God is doing through CBN Asia. Please call the numbers on your screen or scan the universal QR code to donate.